everybody, I'm back with the same circuit. Instead of using the LED light, I'm using a speaker. So we are going to do the same thing by putting these probes in the oil again. As you see, this speaker is not sounding. Now let's put these in the water. If you can hear, the speaker is making a little noise. Now let's put it in the salt water. It is sounding even louder. So just like the last experiment, the LED was glowing brighter. In this case, the speaker is speaking louder. So as we know, the salt water is a better conductor of electricity than the water. But the water is a better conductor of electricity than the oil. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye!